Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how we are going to solve one of the issue, that is curl not working with the HTTP socks proxy. So when I'm going to add this command, that is curl socks host name, with this it doesn't return me the IP. Okay, but if I go with this one where it is, so if config give me the IP, but the curl socks 5 doesn't give me the IP, that means there is an issue in your curl. Okay, so when I run this curl command, okay, so curl version, so here you can see that it doesn't give me that socks 5 that we are using. It's not recommended over here or not used. So that's the reason we have to go with another command, that is sudo apt install -y. Okay, so after this installation, now torsox curl with if config, so it giving me the forbidden. Okay, so what would be the next step? So now you have to go with another one, that is torsox curl check tor project.org IP. Okay, so this will give me the IP, right? So this is the IP, and if you go with another one, http bin org IP, then this is also giving the IP like this one in the object form. Okay, so that means now my torsox curl is working. Okay, so in the next video, we are going to use this one in the bash script and automatically change the IP within 30 seconds. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are facing this issue that the curl, that the socks 5 host name is not working, so you can try this method to fetch the API. In later videos we will do with the node.js, python, with the bash scripting. Okay, so how we are automatically change the IP with the help of these technologies. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.